Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Eaglestone. Today I'm testing the Parkside Platform Trolley with pull handle, a compact beast made for serious lifting. It features a strong wood frame, foldable handle, smooth rolling wheels, and a wide anti-slip platform measuring about 78 by 37 centimeters. This trolley can carry loads up to 250 kilograms, making it perfect for moving boxes, tools, appliances, or heavy workshop gear. It folds flat for easy storage, fits in your car trunk, and sets up in seconds. Whether you're relocating, organizing your garage, or transporting heavy items, this thing saves your back and your time. And right now, at this moment, I've loaded a full washing machine on it, and I'm moving it easily with just one hand. That's how stable and powerful it is. If you're doing DIY, renovations, or moving house, this Parkside trolley is an absolute must-have. Like the video, subscribe to Mr. Eaglestone, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep building.